Hello everyone, I am Jaswinder and today we are looking at UI widgets inside the dPlat dApp Studio. Let me create a new app here. I'm going to name this as tutorial dApp. Today we are talking about how do you use your UI widgets in your app. UI widgets are the front-end components of your dApp. So you can see when you create a new app, on the left hand side you would see your widgets, your JavaScript functions, your data sources, your libraries. We would cover each one of them in different tutorials. So look at widgets today. Widgets are nothing but your front-end components that help you make the UI that is exposed to the end user. One of the basic UI widgets is a container, which can be used as an underlying component on your screen, and you can use a bunch of other widgets on top of it. So once you drag and drop a widget from the whole library of widgets that you have here, on the right side you would see there are different properties related to this widget. There is if this widget should be visible or not. You can do a simple true false. You can put a custom more sophisticated JavaScript code here instead of true. There's animated loading, there's scroll contents. We can turn that off, and then there is height that I just changed. If you change the tab here, you will see there's a background color. So let's say I pick this color. There's the border color as well. Let's say I pick black. Then you can do border width, border radius, shadow. If you want to put image URL as the background and not a color, you can also do that. But that's container widgets properties. Every widget has its own property. You can also rename a widget as you like it. So let's say I call it just con, or maybe container demo, so that you can refer to it however you like. Let's say we grab another widget, which is a form widget. I'm going to drag and drop it here. Now you will see that this has its own properties. Button widget, which comes in line with the form widget, has its own unique set of properties. One of the useful properties that you see for a button is on-click property, which means what happens when you click on this button. So there are a bunch of functions that you can use, and there's also a lot of other things that you can do with your widget. So this is a simple overview of a UI widget, and there are a lot of widgets to explore that we will cover one by one, but this is a general overview of how UI widgets are used in zbyte dPlat. Thank you.